watching and listening to me again. Then guys, this video is going to be very outstanding as usual. Why? Because in this video I will tell you what? Look at guys. Speak fluent English without any tension. Then guys, in this video I will explain you how to speak fluent English without any tension. I mean to say, while speaking in English, if you take any kind of tension, then this video is only for you. Okay guys, so please watch the video till the end. By the end this video you will get answer. Okay guys, then here I have made 3 techniques from which you can speak English without any tension. Okay guys, so let's jump in. I will tell you all these 3 techniques one by one from which you can speak English with confidence and without any tension. So let's jump in. First point, train your mind. What is the first point guys? Train your mind to speak inwardly. Try to understand this technique. Train your mind to speak what? Inwardly. You know what happens when we speak in English? I want to tell you, when we start speaking in English, so what happens? We start thinking outwardly. That's the problem. That's why we take tension while speaking in English. I mean to say, whenever you want to speak in English, don't think outwardly. Just think inwardly. Then you can speak English without any tension. And it is also said, you know, it is also said, imagination is better than anything else in the world. I am telling you that imagination is better than anything else in the world. So you should just imagine. You should just imagine that you can speak the best English inwardly. And if you don't have anybody with you to speak in English, so you can start speaking inwardly. Can't you? You can. So you should follow this technique for improving your communication, as well as how to speak English without any tension. Through this technique you can understand, you can figure out. Okay, so what is the first technique? I am just telling you again. What? Train your mind. Train your mind to speak inwardly. Okay guys, so until or unless you speak inwardly, so your result will not be good outwardly. It is also a universal truth. It means just think inwardly. Okay, don't think about outwardly. If you think inwardly in a positive way, so outwardly your feedback must be positive. Okay guys, so let's move on. Second point, don't think about outwardly result. Then guys, what is the second point? Don't think about outwardly result. It means whenever we start doing any venture, it's a human psychology. First of all, we think about result, don't we? It means whenever we want to do any venture, first of all, doing any venture, what we think? You know what we think? We think about result. That's the problem. That's why we create a lot of tensions. Then what we do, in place of thinking about result, we should think about task. Okay, without any tension. Okay, so what mean to say here, don't think about outwardly result. What? Don't think about outwardly result. It may be when you speak in English, your result would not be good. It may be possible whenever you speak in English, so other people will criticize you. But don't worry. Okay, once they will criticize, twice they will criticize, thrice they will criticize, but somewhere down the line they will appreciate you. They will appreciate the way you speak in English. They will salute the way you speak in English, but it will take some time. So what I am telling here, whatever you want to speak out, you just speak out. Don't think about outwardly result. If you want to speak English without any tension, or if you want to speak fluent English, so it was the second technique which will help you to speak English without any tension. Let's move on. Third point. Don't think to give your best. Don't think to give your best, just speak out. It is the best technique. It is my favorite technique. What is this? This is what? Don't think to give your best, just speak out. It means, as I tell you, a lot of people think about other people while speaking. That's the problem. They know very well how to speak English. They know very nicely how to speak in a proper way. Yet they are not able to speak out. Why? Because they just think. What they think? They think to give their best. That's the problem. For instance, I'm telling you. Suppose there are two guys. I'm just telling you with an example. There are two guys. One is speaking fluent English. With some impeccable word meanings. I'm telling you, there's a guy who can speak fluent English with some impeccable word meanings, vocabulary. This guy vocabulary is very nice. If I tell you about another guy, he can also speak in English. But he doesn't have word meanings. He has word meanings, but he has simple word meanings. So it doesn't matter, because if the guy who has simple word meanings, he can also explain through his communication, can't he? Like if he has no very much impressive word meanings, no matter, he can use simple word meanings. Through simple word meanings, he can also express his ideas, can't he? So we don't think that we should be best while speaking. If that guy thinks like, I can understand this guy can speak fluent English with some impeccable word meanings, with some impressive word meanings, I can understand this guy can impress, and he seems to be the best. This guy can seem to be best. But if I tell you about this guy, so this guy can also express his ideas through simple word meanings, can't he? So while speaking in English, we should not think to be the best. If you think whenever I will be the best, then I will speak, so that moment will never come in your life. If you think whenever I become the best, like I will learn each and every portion of English, then I will start speaking in English. So it's your misconception. You can note down my statement. So everything starts from starting. So you should start from starting, then you can go to your next level. Then by diligence and with your concentration, you can also go another next level. Okay guys, so it was all about this class, and please follow this technique, and you can speak without any tension. I can guarantee you, if you follow these techniques while speaking English, you can speak English without any tension. One more thing, try to speak more than more English. If I wanted, then I could have made this video in Hindi also. If I wanted, I could have made this video in Hindi also, but why didn't I make it in Hindi? Because the more you listen English, the more you learn. As we know, listening is the best process of learning. That's why I have made this video in English. Are you getting, guys? So that's it for today. And one more thing, do take care of your health as well as your family. Okay, your family's health, and do good for the country and keep on doing good deeds. Okay, because our deeds always follow us. Our deeds always follow us, so we should do always good deeds. So that's it for today. Jai Hind.